Okay, so we also talk about irrigation systems. And as you can see, this is one heck of a head behind me here. And this is not your ordinary irrigation system. This isn't a residential system, as you can obviously tell. This here is a hunter irrigation system. We're currently running I-40s on this. And so we can get 2 heads on this and we can cover almost an entire football field. In order to have these kind of heads, you have to have bigger valves, we have to have bigger main lines, we have to have bigger pipe, higher water flow, higher water pressure. And so we have that on this particular project. So we're able to do that. And so as you can see, these heads will throw a good 40, 50, 60 feet, which is a residential PGP, which is a residential head. It's not going to throw as far as the bigger turf heads do. These particular ones are on the smaller size of the golf course heads. There are bigger heads out there for golf courses that can throw a lot further. In this particular case, we were able to use these heads here that the college already had installed. So we've got them. Hopefully we'll get that all situated so we can get some water on some grass here soon. And it's definitely a totally different system than what you see on your residential installs.